The objective of this practice was to make solutions. So in order to make the solutions, we follow certain steps. First, we need the data of the solute and the solvent to make the correct calculations, and then we will measure that quantities that we obtain in the calculations. In the measurement of the quantities, we will need to put in a container that is of a higher capacity of the desired solution. Next, we need to dissolve the solute in the case that it is of a solid, and then we need to go to the final volume of the solutions. It is important the types of sterilization in a lab because sometimes we need to sterilize certain solutions and materials. So there are different types of sterilization. We are going to mention the steam autoclave. It works with the heat produced, with the vapor produced by the heating of the water at this condition. The dry heat, the difference between the steam autoclave and the dry heat is that in the dry heat there is no water. The third type of sterilization is radiation, which can be made by X-rays and gamma rays and UV rays. The difference between these types of rays is the penetration. These solvents usually are ethanol and isopropanol. They work by being diluted at the 16% or 70%, and it causes temperature denaturization. So in order to verificate the solution, we can make certain tests. First of all, if the solution contains a certain pH, we could measure it with pH meter. And also we could use titration, that it offers almost the same method, which is to look for the pH, and it also offers a certain change of color.
For the solution preparations, the first thing you have to do is to make the correct calculations with the concentrations of the substances available in the laboratory. After this, you have to measure the exact amount of the solutions using the correct equipment and material. For mixing the substances, you have to take care of which substance is mixed first to avoid precipitation and reactions in the solution. Also, you have to take care how you're going to mix the solutions. You can use a magnet or just do it by yourself.
In order to make the solutions, we need to make the calculations. First, for the 12 milliliters buffer state. What we made first, we used a base of ctica in stock of 0.5 molar. As we wish a 15 millimolar solution, we use the relation of concentration and volume. We obtain a volume of 1.2 milliliters of ctica. For the tris chloride, we made the same. With the sucrose, the SDS, and tritone, we made a relation mass volume, volume and volume. We use the tris, and we want to obtain 2 molar tris. So we obtain the number of moles. cTA, we also use a solution in stock. With the acetic acid, we want to obtain 1 molar acetic acid solution. Solution of 50 milliliters of calcium chloride.
In this practice, it's important to note the reagents we use and make the correct calculations. Also, we have to make sure to use the material in optimal conditions, and we must make sure that the measurement equipment is calibrated in case of the balances, and make sure we have enough micropipettes. We have to use a container with more capacity than that of the solution. In case of sterilization, it must be the double capacity. With all these considerations, Results can be improved while making solutions.